everyone. All right, we're gonna gua sha our legs today. This is a great routine to increase circulation, to improve cellulite, to, if you're having any sort of, you're a runner or a cyclist and you have achy legs, this is great for that. I've used fractionated coconut oil on my legs because it is a larger area and this will take a little bit more time. But it's a great routine, so I hope this helps. Another oil you can be using is cypress to increase circulation. You can use lemongrass or deep blue if you're in any sort of pain. So we're going to be using the flat side of our gua sha. So I'm going to start on the inside of my leg. So this is the calf and the shin. So I'm going to do this into two parts. So the side here, I'm using the flat side and I'm using a 45-degree angle. So I'm just going up toward my heart, we're just doing a lower leg here, 5 to 10 times, and then moving to the next part, not quite the calf all the way yet, but just doing that 5 to 10 times. Then I'm going to go on the other side of my leg, the other side of the shin, not quite the shin yet, and just the same thing. Going up toward my heart, and then moving to the next section. Like I said, do this 5 to 10 times, whichever works for you. Next, I'm gonna do the shin. So the shin, I don't wanna do it directly on the bone because there's really not much there. It's basically just bone. So I'm gonna go on either side of the bone. So just working my way up. I'm going to be extra gentle on my legs because I have really bony knees and legs, so I don't want to be too rough. No need to make bruises. Going on the other side of the shin there. Now we're going to do the calf. So if you have a larger calf area, you can turn it into two sections. I'm going to be holding with two hands like this and just working my way up. 5 to 10 times, like this. All right, now I'm going to do the top of my leg. So still using that flat side, I'm going to start on the inside of my leg, 45-degree angle, just working my way up. I'm just going to turn this into two sections here. And when I get to the top, I'm going to give it a little bit of a massage right there so that it drains well. 5 to 10 times. And then we do the other side, 5 to 10 times. And then when you get to the top, you can give a little massage. And then, so after you've done that for 5 to 10 times, we're gonna do the top. Just like we did the shin, kind of doing it in two parts on the other, like opposite sides here. Make sure you're doing the whole leg. And then for the back of the leg, we're going to do the same thing that we did with the shin, with the calf. We're still using that flat side, we're using two hands, working our way up like this. And you can do this sitting or standing. For this video, it's easier to show you sitting down, so. And that's your gua sha routine for your legs. So this is good for removing or for improving cellulite. Just remember to do it every day, keep it consistent, and be gentle on your body. There's no reason that you should be bruising your body with your gua sha stone. That isn't really helpful. So drink lots of water and take care of your body.